First question, construct triangle XYZ in which XY is 4.5 centimeters, YZ is 5 centimeters and ZX is 6 centimeters. That is, we have to construct a triangle whose all the three sides are given 4.5, 5 and 6. So let's start. First step, draw a line segment YZ of length 5 centimeters. So we start by what they have given. They have given that YZ should be 5 centimeters. So let's draw a line segment whose length is 5 centimeters YZ. So let's say this is line segment YZ. Mark the endpoints. This is Y, this is Z, and the length is 5 centimeters. Next step, from point Y, point X is at a distance of 4.5 centimeters. So with Y as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeters. Now X will be somewhere on this arc and our job is to find where exactly X is. So first of all we will draw an arc taking Y as center and a radius of 4.5. So we will draw an arc like this. Next step, from Z, point X is at a distance of 6 centimeters from, because they have given ZX is 6 centimeters. So with Z as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. Draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters like this. X will also be on this arc and X has to be on both the arcs drawn. So it is the point of intersection of arcs. That is, this point is point X. Mark the point of intersection of arcs as X. So we have marked it as X and join XY and XZ. So we join XY and XZ. This triangle XYZ is the required triangle whose sides are YZ is 5 centimeters, XY is 4.5 centimeters and ZX is 6 centimeters. So this is the required triangle with the given sides.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.